Testing this thing. Okay, can I test it? I'll pick up to Stream Manager. Oh, what's this bitrate? What? That's not good. Okay, so hello. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, hi. New comments. Okay, so it shows something. Oh, okay. So I can not. All right. That's what Brian Carniato does with his like StreamYard stuff. He will like show the stuff so that you can see it. I guess you can also pin it so that it's like it's not getting lost. Reply. Okay. It's like it was sent, and I can send it here, and it gets delivered to both YouTube and okay. Um, Testing chat and stuff. Uh, okay, yeah. Fun like interaction of like showing that it was actually sent. Okay, so but we get Restream logo, which uh, I don't know what that's probably for those things. Yeah. So this seems like too minimalistic, but this one, okay, doesn't show name anymore. Oh, because it's my own thing. Okay, so I can switch to this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Not going to play with that too much. Um, okay. So when I show it, it shows for how long? Because in StreamYard, it will stay there for like hours. Do I need to manually like hide it? Or if I click on the new one, okay, it removes the old one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's not why not why we are here. Yeah, so we are here because I want to um, where is it? I want to play with my uh, okay. I don't want to show like my unlisted videos or something, so I should probably do it this way. So we go live, and so this thing I want to add like a thumbnail for it. So um, do you have new milestones? I think it just like sends me notifications now, just randomly. Oh, I'm almost at 30,000 views. That's cool. Okay, and this one is okay. I guess the same thing. I don't know why they need to show it twice. Oh, it's video queue, and this one is too bad. Yeah. Okay, so I want to create thumbnail for this because it's like a real video, and I also want to find like a way to figure out how I can have like thumbnails for my co-working streams. I'm thinking about like just unlisting them because that's what I'm going to do on this channel. But um, yeah, so let's start with this one. So click on this one. We go to I'm checking if it captures the audio. I think it doesn't. So, but we will need to check back on it. So, so there in the video we have like we can probably find like a still where I have that like, hey, you have an inversion thing. So I can use that, or I guess I have it like in better quality with the okay. Also, should I do music? I guess if I'm using Restream, I can't do music. That's a shame. Let's start. Let's start with how do I turn off screen sharing for a second? That will stop screen sharing, but that's not that's entirely not what I was going for. Okay, so here's my screen sharing, and here's my maximize. Yeah, so I guess that's how I can turn it off for a second because I don't remember what I have um, in my editor. Might be having something naughty. I'm joking, but who knows, right? Okay, so this is this one, this is that one. Okay, think we can go back now. Right, okay, it's workable. uh, okay, so go back here. Yeah, generator. Okay, I actually never played with it. So I tried to create this one with Dolly, and okay, now I don't remember what was the yeah. So okay, generate. I guess that's like a text. Okay, that's terrifying. I was wondering what will happen if I write big monitor, and I guess that's the winner, right? That's the biggest monitor. I don't know, like 1 out of 5, what that means. So if I do it as an illustration, so I'll remove other realistic. Once I have hit 5 out of 5, is that ever going to recover? Like, what part of this is an illustration? Okay, so we knew that it's not going to work, but oops, it's happening. Okay, so let's go. First, I need a thumbnail for my this video for yeah. So it's fun to select one of those templates and then see someone else use the same one. I should learn how to do like a funny faces for thumbnails. And I should also learn how to use like ChatGPT for this. Okay. So I like where this is going. Now I just need to figure out how I can use it for my thing. So we know that Astro had a redesign, and they now have like a new assets, and it could be fun to use new assets now. So we have this Astro logo. Oh yeah, I don't know how that works. Need to drop it here first, then I can add it here. Okay. Okay. Not a huge fan. What else do they have? Yeah, just those ones. Where are the fancy ones with new colors? And it used to be like the logo used to be red. The part of it used to be red. So okay, I'm not impressed yet. So now I have this. Where was it? Like this thing. So now I have this new version available. Should probably just remove some of this stuff. Okay. So if I just put it there. Okay. So now we are going for yeah, I still need to figure out what to do with the background, but adding oops, adding new version available. How do you call it? Notification. Adding new version available notification. When app is deployed or something like that. Notification. Okay. So we're 50% there. Oh, I already got my first spam. That's so nice. Who are you? Nice spammer. Isn't that the button that like ban stuff? Okay, ban fracture. I don't know how people do this, so user doesn't exist. Okay, I can pin it, and I can do some other stuff with it, but I can't block it. So bitrate is, wow, this is such a low bitrate. I never stream with OBS is that low bitrate. Okay, so this user doesn't exist. So if I click on the user, I can ban him, and I can block report. Okay, so let's report for spam. I don't know what's the difference. So, oh, I see. Okay, tell us more. What is it like? Paid use promotion. Lock this user. Close. Okay, what that's going to do. Can I block report? What's that? Restrict. What's the restrict? Okay. Can I remove the message though? this is okay, and I need to check if Restreams give me any like add the block list. Okay, I can remove it from here, but okay. Remove, delete, clear, history. Yeah, so what's that going to do? Yeah. Okay. How do I unclear? What's happening? Okay. Clean up your chat and single click. Okay. Define your channel. Okay. Let's see what's that. What does the? Oh. Okay. Shield mode. Welcome. Recommend you to customize settings. Blah blah blah. Watch tutorial. Okay, that's too complicated. Will only be applied when shield mode. Okay, so I can like turn off chat for some time. Okay. No first time chatters. Emote only chat. Follower only chat. Slow mode. Clear chat. Okay. So what's this? All chat messages are cleared from view while still remaining visible to moderators. Okay, so it's like a kind of like preview stuff. Okay, how do I unclear it then? Okay, so let's turn it off. Disabled follow only. Disabled. Cleared. Okay. I still have no idea what that means. Okay. Can I send messages in the chat though? Seems like I can. Okay. Not going to look into more into that. So, okay. So React is missing here. So let's say Astro and React. I don't know how closely to put it so that it seems like it's the same sentence. I can do like that. Feels like I should add like just one more space. Okay, so now let's figure out how I can make this thing look nice. And it's like, yeah, they have background remover, but I have no idea how to use it. And I I somehow used this thing before. Okay, so what are we doing? We are trying to figure out if I can make this thing remove background. So I think I need to do it in Pixlr. If I use white background here, if I add a bit of padding, yeah, by the way, I don't know if I should give hot tips here, but the hot tip is just type 0 and then use up and down key, because if you write like 1 pixel, you need to write 3 characters instead of just one. But I'm not always following my own advice, am I? Okay, so in here we can do cutout and magic cutout. Okay, I think it's magic enough. Go away, Montreal. I already bought it. Actually, if I use black, and because I have like a dark background, it could work even better, I think. Yeah. Okay, I need to layer. Okay, sorting this thing. Now I'm using Magic Cutout to remove it. Now press save. Not save, close. I'm so confused by like my buttons in this thing. Okay, so I need to remove this one. And I have this one with the so can I copy it? Okay, I think I need to save it as Bert. Sure. So now if I drop it here, I can delete this one. Yeah, so this is as nice as I know how to how to remove backgrounds. Adding new version available notification. Okay, notification was getting lost here, and I need to figure out the better background image. I like that it's dark. If I add like some kind of like semi-transparent, just like shadow all over this stuff, it might be okay. Um, so kind of this, but I need to make it transparent. How do I make it transparent? Shape, animate. Okay, this one, transparency. Okay. And do you have some kind of shadow or something? Position. And it's not. Okay, so I need position should be. Okay, I think it should be darker. It also needs to be bigger. Okay. 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 Let's. Oh, what happened to the font? Let's add. Oops. Let's add. Okay, so if I do this, and if I do using. Okay, this needs to be slightly kind of like that. And as far as my thumbnails go, this is pretty professional and good looking. uh, okay, I'm not happy with it, but I'm not going to make it better. Okay, so let's get it out. And let's go to my YouTube, and I was trying to do this, and the tutorial is like 2 years old. It's not giving me much. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, I think it looks fine. It doesn't look very good here because of like the rasterization of the stuff, but hopefully that's fine. Okay. I think this is fine. I even left a bit of place for timestamp, so inadvertently. Or is it? Okay, I think it's not enough space. Okay, so we need to make it higher. Okay. I think it's fine. I'm more and more okay with it. Right. So okay, now timestamp is not covering the text. I should also like go through it and like add timestamps and stuff, but yeah, not happening right away. So one other thing I was thinking, like once I don't know, uh, if I'm already doing that, I should probably go and um, figure out like basically some kind of thumbnail that I can use for all of my live streams, so that it's kind of like the same style. And I try to do like dolly stuff to generate something like that. This is like uh, something cozy. uh, can I like extend it? There's a like a way to extend it, right? So I don't know how it's going to work, and I can't move it first. Okay. It's moving now. Oh, right. Okay. uh, so what are the thumbnails right now? It's just like uh, my face and like my keyboard and stuff. I wonder if I can figure out how to do it. I can just take a picture of my right. So if I do this, if I do like on HTML, if I add a blur, um, is like transform blur, no, filter blur. Right. So if I blur it up enough, and if I do it full screen, which I have no idea how to do it in Mac. Yeah, that was definitely not it. Okay. It's not it completely. Okay, so I think there's just like oops. I think there's just like API that you can do window request. I think you need to like document uh, request full screen. Hmm. Document HTML. Okay. Yeah. Full screen. Full screen. Okay. So yeah. So this is it. Oh no. What's happened with my filter? Oh yeah, my filter was on HTML. Okay. So let's just move it to body. Okay. So we have like a blurred thing. Now, if I just take a picture of my desk, maybe that would be like fancy enough. I don't know what's the style of it should be. Okay, so I took like a few pictures of my desk, and now I need to figure out uh, how I can send them. But okay, um, let's hide my screen for a second, and let's just do this. I want it to be distorted a bit. Okay, so how are we uploading our pictures? Okay, fine. So let's look at it. My Chrome died or what's happening? Okay. So I like this picture, I like this picture, and maybe I like this picture. Okay, so we can close it for now. Uh, so now let's do again. I can turn my screen back on. Um, so now let's do. So I can upload pictures. So if I upload this one, and if I oh, it's so huge. How do I can I edit it somehow? Place. Okay, placed. Now what? Okay, so I can regenerate in that thing. Okay. Which is probably fine. Um, I wonder if I could like remove those wires. So I will try that. So let's erase basically here, here, here. Also, I don't like this blue thing. And this is like a just like this reflection. So I can write a photo of office desk with a computer and microphone on it. Should probably remove those headphones or yeah. Okay. So let's generate. So I just hope it will like keep everything as is and just like fill the removed parts. Okay, it's doing something. Oh, it created headphones. Not the greatest. Okay, it's only slightly creepy. So now if I remove now if I use eraser to restore wood grain. And let's do it again. By the way, I have no idea how many like Dolly credits I have left. Dolly. So let's hope that's enough. Okay, it became kind of square. Okay. And okay, it also does something here, so I guess this one is the best. So now, okay, so how do I download it? What is even like getting downloaded? Okay, it keeps this one as a gray. Okay. Okay, so let's generate this one. Just a photo of the office desk. Generate. Doesn't seem like a best way to spend dollar credits, but it's a fun activity anyway. Okay, so what are the options? I think this one looks the natural one as the natural one. So if I do it like that, so it's like more wood stuff. Um, can I can I can I make it do something nicer? And I think just in terms of I can actually make it smaller. Can I undo? Can do the brush smaller. Okay. Photo of the office desk. Okay. So should I be doing something with the room, or is this photo is like good enough for a thumbnail? I should add. I should like duplicate this or something. Make a copy. Okay. This is too much. This is not enough. Okay, I think this. No one will ever know that we did this. That we like tried to remove those wires. I think if I just like went with a smaller brush right away, we would have like less problems with it. Okay, so let's remove everything and let's download this thing. Let's upload it here. And let's put it instead of this 3 stuff. Or should we crop it first? Yeah, I have no idea how that works. Okay. Okay, it didn't do what I was hoping it would do. Okay, so I have this. I can remove it. I can drop this, but then I have to. Okay. Uh, let's see how much of that would fit in a. Okay. So now maybe Canva is not the best thing to do this in. So okay, let's go back here. So we want to create new. Full HD. Okay, we have something in between. Okay, it's 30%. Okay, so I wanna crop it to whatever this is, one. Okay, YouTube thumbnail size 1 to 80, 720. Okay, so 1 to 80, 720 is literally not much. So let's start with cropping. Okay, so part of the desk is getting cropped and it's a bit there, and it's more and more there. Okay, so let's crop here. So now let's maybe resize it, or what's the story? That size. Yeah. Okay. So I have kind of like here, and I think, yeah. So okay, so okay, so let's do it this way. Apply. So now I want to save it as high quality as possible. Why is it so big though? Okay. And now I want to or upload an image to edit. Is this one? It's the smallest one at least. Let's keep cropping. Okay. So now let's do this. And now I wanna figure out what I can do with those doors, and maybe I can just remove them. Okay, so this thing is basically, it needs one. Okay, I just need to save it with a different 1 to 80. I think it will just like generate better images. So let's do this. Let's upload a new image. This. Okay, now it's too big. What's happening? 1,000. I mean, I think like Photoshop now allows to do stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I should. Yeah. Okay. Let's just try it. Let's just try to save it again. What's happening? What are daily free saves? What are you even talking about? Okay. Okay. Sure. Daily free saves. That's a thing that could exist. Okay. Not entirely sure what's happening with the snapping thing, but let's do this, and let's do with a razor. Let's just see what kind of room Dolly imagines I'm in, and let's give it in. Nice view out of the window. I'm sure it's going to be really bad. I just feel it's going to be really bad. Okay. The corners are a bit wonky. Okay. Okay. I think it's doing like animation. So let's give up on this. Photo realistic. Okay. Okay. This is actually not that far off, so let's accept it. And I want to just draw something over this glass doors. Just I don't feel like that. So I just wanted to continue the room as if there was like a bigger room. So big room, big room. Oh, realistic. I guess, yeah. AIs don't know how to spell either, so they're fine with that. Should I try to like remove the walls, wall outlets? Oh, interesting. It's like it's an office now. Interesting. So that gives me an idea. What if it's just like in a cafe or something, right? So let's accept it so we can go back to it if we need to. But uh, let's remove it anyway. So let's remove that thing. So it's photorealist. Okay. Um, uh, how I was thinking something, but I don't know what I was thinking on. Uh, corridor with a shop uh, nearby, something like that. Photo realistic. I feel like we're going back to to the other thing. Uh, Okay, it's not going that bad. Okay, so I didn't see a shop there, but okay, just a wall. Just a wall with a painting. Okay. I don't want to play with too much of that, so I'm going to limit at that. And what's those artifacts? Okay. Uh, we're not going to see much of that anyway. So let's download this stuff. Uh, I guess this thing cropped out. Only add free plus unlimited saves. Okay. Um, I don't say that in much, I guess. That's where we're going to drop it. Okay. So this was before, and this is after. Do you feel like we made a progress there? uh, okay, now I can move it for some reason. Okay, so right, so all of that, now we need to hide it. So we're going to make like a. Do they have like a gradient colors? I wonder. Colors none. Canva gradient transparency. Transparent gradient. Okay. So gradient transparency. Okay. So there. Looking gradient transparent. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So something like this. I guess so I need to turn it 180. Now I need to make it bigger. Okay. Okay. I guess it's like a square. So okay. I don't hate it. Uh, yeah, there's just like this line. Okay. I need to make it as a one piece, otherwise it's getting a bit silly. Okay. Okay. I don't know what pro gradients mean, but let's just say that I don't really care. Can I edit it somehow? What is it even like? Is it a shape or? Okay. Okay, so let's turn it 180. Oops. Let's turn it 180. Let's do like that. And let's do. Okay. What are we thinking? Is it going anywhere? Do you have anyone in chat, by the way? Doesn't look like it. Okay, this channel is like too new and I never showed it anywhere, so I don't expect too much. But okay, do I like this? I think overall, yes. Do I want to add more gradient? I think slightly, somewhat. Yeah, it's fun that this wire now doesn't go anywhere. Okay, but this, I think it kind of represents how my office looks. So um, I'm sticking with it, and I'm making. I will name it co-working, and I will. Uh, okay, I need to resize it to the proper dimensions, or is it already proper dimensions? Yes, it's already proper dimensions. Can I wonder if I can kind of like flatten it out. If I download it as PNG, and maybe as a JPEG, and now let's just, oh, I can change it. Yeah, this is not fun. Um, so if I open this one and open this one, do I see the difference in quality? Way, I think so. This one is dirtier. That JPEG is dirtier. So, okay, so PNG it is. And so now I create a new design based on YouTube thumbnail. Where's the YouTube thumbnail? Okay. Let's go back here and social media. Okay, that's not social media. YouTube video. Okay. YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So now if I upload the file that I just created, PNG one, so that I don't have to like play with those layers. It just going to be like just there. Okay, right. And now on top of it, I can create like a different versions of it. So we go back to this one. It's yeah, it's I guess it's like it's missing me. People might not realize what is happening, but I guess it's like if all of them are in this style, so it's going to be going to be fun. Okay. Did I not create a terminal for that one? Interesting. Okay. So co-working. Okay, so let's start with the first co-working one. And let's so which one is it? Like so let's go here. Let's just add a text. Uh, I recently learned like a name of the font and I already forgot. Okay, so should be smaller, I think. Okay, so how are we on one line? Feels like it should be on two lines. Okay, so if we make it bigger, some padding here, some padding there. Okay, and now just add a new line here. Okay, so right, should have made a copy before, but okay. So share, download, PNG. And now we can upload. Let's save it. So I do different co-working streams. So some of them are like Lo-Fi Girl. This thumbnail, it requires you to read the title. I wonder if I should have like some kind of symbols representing some what I'm co-working, but maybe not for this thing. So what I'm thinking that I will do co-working playlist and I will unlist those things from the parasocial channel. Okay, so how do I get back? Okay, here. So, okay, so this one is already working. This one, don't remember how many views does it have. That will show you like that will show you if that was co-working or not. Okay, so it has a music and all that stuff. So the same stuff. Link palm link. So download. I guess CW. I guess. Okay, CW2. So let's add it to playlist and unlist it. Done and done. Okay, so that was this one. So now it's this one. Okay. So this one, is that exactly the same thing or? It's Astro solid router. Okay. Download. TW3 thumbnail and unlisted and co-working. It is technically QGP, but I don't know if I want to have that. So where are we at? Oh, podcasts, interesting. I heard Theo posted about that. Podcast users are collected under under playlist. Create your podcast, then add existing content or upload. Okay. Creating a podcast in YouTube Studio. Learn how to create podcasts using Studio, and add your music to YouTube Music. Okay. Okay, so you're creating a special playlist. Your podcast should only contain full-length episodes. In the order they should be consumed. The podcast has multiple seasons. Include them in the same podcast. Okay, and which makes sense. Podcast creators are eligible official search cards. Option to be featured on YouTube podcasts. Okay, what's even that? Okay, and that's like a playlist for all of your stuff. Okay. I wonder if I should do my like interviews as podcasts. I don't know if that's technically, but badges on your podcast and videos available to YouTube. Okay. Yes, YouTube Music is a cool one. Some playlists aren't eligible, even. Sure. Best practices for podcast creator. Okay. Create public playlist. Everything should be the same. Use the same name. Yeah. So what if I have two podcasts, if that makes sense? Use the same name for a podcast show as in your playlist title. Add a comprehensive explanation. Okay. NPR has different playlists for each show. Okay, so my show should have a podcast. Okay. Manage your playlist. Ensure says the existing playlist or podcast. Okay. So I have a playlist, I can turn it into podcast. If an episode violates copyright, your content might not be eligible for podcast features. Only set a playlist. Only set a playlist to the podcast if you can hit full. If you have additional clips and stuff, yes. Name your podcast. Add videos to a podcast. Remove podcast features. Reorder episodes. Measure your podcast performance. Okay. Okay, that's cool. I don't have the name for it yet. I guess I can have multiple, and you have to have a podcast thumbnail. Okay, interesting. Okay, this seems like a just like a like a playlist creation flow. So okay, okay. And I can turn it off. Okay, let's leave it for a second, but I'm actually excited about it. Okay, so this is all of my co-working stuff. Co-working, building public, co-working. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just 3 left. Um, okay, so uh, Blink stuff. Do I talk there? Okay, it's the music one. Okay, so SPA with Astro Solid.js. It says Blink. uh, I guess it's like pan stack Blink. So now let's save it. It's going to be W4. Upload W4. Add it to co-working playlist and make it unlisted and save it. So now that was the first one. Yeah, it's basically this. Okay, part two. Okay, I was like, I remember that was like two-parter. Okay, so it's SPA plus solid. Part two, trying to deploy it. Okay. Well, that makes sense so far. CW5. Upload thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, so this one is already in co-working. And I don't want to, I think I don't want that QGP playlist. That's what I decided at some point. So I need to remove it. Okay, so I think we have the last one. Yeah. So React and stack start. It's still, yeah, I don't remember what's happening there. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem with co-working things, right? So playing Astro. Uh, I think it was React, right? Okay, so hello, you clicked on. Oh yeah, so I was adding HMR for Stack Router. I think that's what was happening. Adding React HMR in Stack Router, Bling Astro, Stack Router. I think. I'm getting tired doing this. CW6, and let's go. That's going to be the last one. That's going to be co-working. It's going to be unlisted, and we're going to save it. So now, when I go back to my channel, and if I go to live, I should not see that stuff. Okay, that's recently uploaded, but okay, so Okay, so I have this and this. Both of them just co-working stuff. I guess I just forgot to unlist them. So they're in a playlist but not unlisted. Save. And this one. Oops, what's happening? Yeah, the playlist but not unlisted. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, so now everything is kind of in order. I do like yeah, I'm tempted to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, like those 4 episodes that I was doing with guests. I wonder if I should do like a podcast out of it. uh, okay, so if I go to homepage, now all of that stuff is hidden. But if I go to playlists, I have co-working playlist that is public. Uh, Secret Astronaut project. we all know, we all know now what that means, right? I guess I should probably just open it in like incognito and to see. Yeah. So now I have co-working stuff, and okay. So the interesting question is like, can I share that playlist with my other channel? So like with this one. If I open this, can I kind of like copy it or something? Save playlist. And if I go to that playlist in, um, can I add it to my channel? So when I have playlists, right? So if I create a playlist, and can I add that other stuff here? Add videos. Okay, interesting. Collaborate. Collaborators. Who are collaborators? What's that all about? Add this playlist as a social effects. Okay, so I should be doing it the other way around. So I should do this, and I say, hey, I want to collaborate, and if I open this one in that channel, add playlist. Okay, I pressed it. Okay, maybe I need to remove those for this one first. Okay, how do I remove it now? Delete playlist. I can delete this playlist, but add it. Okay, not sure what's happening here. Okay, so okay, so am I a collaborator now? Okay, so I don't need more collaborators. added by parasocial fix. So if I rename it here, parasocial co-working, save. It's parasocial co-working here. So if I go to my channel, and I go to my playlists, it's parasocial co-working. Okay, so those the thing. Right. Okay. That's actually what I wanted. So official series. Add all to net videos. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, what's the order? Yeah. So the order could be wrong. So it's like 1 month ago, then 1 month ago. No, it's 2 weeks. Okay, so now 3 weeks. And 3 weeks. No, I think this is the order. Okay, so what should the order be? It should be ordered, I guess, like from the oldest one. So this one is the oldest, the months ago. Then it's, I think this one, then this one, then it's like part one, part two, and then start the last one. Okay. No description. Is there a description? Listening. Doing some stuff and sometimes listening to the music. Uh, okay, so right, and once I figure out how to do co-working streams here, do I have any co-working streams already? Yeah, and there is no music. I think co-working is going to be the ones with music. If I talk and if I have a mic, that's not it. So it's just regular streaming. So this one is like it's not co-working. I don't expect someone to have it in the background completely. Okay, so let's close all of this stuff, and this is all of this is fine. So we're doing fine. We're doing good. One could even say, and okay, so I got rid of all the co-working stuff from this channel. Hopefully, can probably open it. This, those are the real ones. Yeah, but now I want to try podcasts. The only problem right now is that I need to have thumbnails. New podcasts. Okay, this is really a podcast. I think that's the thing. It's like how much, how many times do I need to like, do I need to like see everything that's happening on the screen in order to understand what's happening? Okay, so we're not doing podcast stuff yet, or or at all, or I don't know. Yeah, I think. Okay, let's close all of this stuff. Uh, let's figure out if I need to do anything else. I think that's it, and I think let's say that this experiment. I wasn't happy with this experiment because like how low the bitrate is. I don't know how to turn on like and play music. Uh, so and all that stuff. So I'm still not sold on the restream stuff. Uh, maybe I just need to create like a OBS profile. Basically, in OBS, uh, in settings, I have uh, I have like YouTube, and I was like, hey, how do I change to YouTube? Because I want to stream to like one YouTube channel or the other. Uh, I think there's some way to. I think there's some way to like share, like allow others to stream on my channel. So maybe I should look into that a bit. So allow other YouTube channel to stream from my channel. Okay, so permissions. Okay, so it's not that hard. So it's not an account, it's channel. I guess like let's do this and now manage videos, settings, permissions. Okay, get roles. Okay, continue using brand account to add or change permissions. You can assign people or move roles. Build a great team to help you manage. Brand account, you do set. Okay, I have no idea what that means. So let's see what they have. Permissions for YouTube creators. Okay, YouTube Studio. Add or change permissions to this channel. For now, these permissions won't apply to some features. Okay. It's actually like the email address is the same. So that's going to be the fun thing. So again, I don't know. Okay, brand account, general account info, users, delete brand account, limited to YouTube. Okay. What's that? I don't know, access to channel. If you have a brand account, you can now use channel permissions. No, the brand accounts using channel permissions can't use live control room. Okay, so if I have a brand account and I use channel permissions, what is the difference? And manage your channel. If you have a brand account, you can use channel permissions instead. Okay. You can have multiple people manage your channel without giving them access to your account, inviting someone to manage it. Okay. So I'm not giving them subscribe to. Okay, go to studio settings, for instance. Okay, owner can do everything, including, yeah. So live. Can I go live? And manage live streams. Um, can chat. Can chat. Manage live stream. Live chat. Okay, to remove channel access. Blah blah blah. Okay, so let's try this one. And let's invite someone. Okay. So I can't invite an owner. Okay. Blinked. Something blinked again. I have no idea what's blinking. Uh, can review. Can view everything. Can create. Can't view review. Okay. Subtitle editor. Can't view revenue. Can view everything. Go live and create edit. Okay. Can't manage permissions. Can view and run, manage permissions, and go live. Okay. Okay. I guess I'm already leaking my email, so already has access to the channel. Okay. 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 So if I already have an access to the channel, can I manage broadcasts, right? Because it's like that's signed in into that account. Okay, so in OBS I can create a new profile. Okay, duplicate. So I'm making X. Okay, so I switch to this profile. If I switch to that profile, okay, that's the old one. So far, it's only differences in view. Yeah, it just like looks a bit different. Scene collection. Okay, so the scene collection changed when I changed. Okay, it doesn't look like it changes. Okay. So now if I go to settings and I do now disconnect account. Yes. Okay, something blinked again. Okay. And if I go to profile, that was this one. It's parasocial. But now if I go to this one, it's not a profile. Okay, so now if I connect as making fix, yes, I can do stuff now. Yeah, I don't care about chat. Yeah. Okay. So the other thing is like, what about this plugin? Does this plugin also know how to do it? So if I go here, it's my parasocial accounts. If I go here, it's my making things stuff. But I'm not sure if this one is aware of that. And in this one, I select stuff on the Restream side. So yeah, it actually kind of works. I think it actually kind of works. Okay, I'm glad I figured that part out. So let's switch to this one. Can I like rename them? Or sure you want to remove? No, I want to remove this one because that's the older one. I need to rename it. I just need to parasocial alt. And if I switch to this one, it's no, not remove, rename. It's parasocial. Okay, interesting. Didn't expect that to work like that. And scenes. I can also duplicate scenes. Yeah, I guess I can use it for stats chat. Yeah, never know how that works. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks everyone who is who is going through this thing. I'm not even sure if it's worth it, but I had fun. I got to draw some thumbnails and stuff, right? So should be good for something. And let's press the stop button. Where's the stop button? I see live button. Uh, I see chat button. I see, okay, I see end stream. And hi, and bye. And cool.